Enderman by MahmurLemur is made in the first quarter of 2014. Enderman is a tall, purple-eyed, sneaky monster that teleports instantly and steals your dirt block. He gets angry if you look at him, like a bully saying, "Are you looking at me?" Instead of talking, Enderman makes a threatening sound and runs towards you to attack if he gets provoked. It has a quiet character, so you can understand how MahmurLemur is inspired from Enderman. She expressed her inspiration making a miniature of this creature. This artwork is on display at MahmurLemur Museum, which is also MahmurLemur's home for 4 years. You can see an old varnish on the figure that is corrupted. The first thing we will do is to remove the varnish using cotton swabs and varnish remover. Then we dismount the old base and break the sculpture in its members. MahmurLemur is an incredible sculptor who isn't appreciated in her own time. It is said that she struggles to make a living as a sculptor. She has to work as an engineer daily. This prevents her to produce more. Her daily job is taking all her time and energy. She even doesn't want to talk about her annoying co-workers. If you wanna support her, please subscribe. Thanks! Using the sanding method, we can remove the unevenness of the parts, and using milliput, we can fill the gaps to give the sculpture a geometric shape. After painting and varnishing, we piece the parts together, place it on a brand new stand, and the artwork is ready to be on display with all the glory. Thanks for watching.